Get ready for the dictation. Start. These are applications under Order 6th, Rule 17, read with Section 151 of Civil Procedure Code 1908, seeking amendment of the plaint. The prayers sought in the suit as originally filed are as under: pass a judgment and decree in favor of the plaintiff for recovery of damages of rupees 2 crore 1 lakh against the defendants jointly and severally, along with penalty and future interest at 9% per annum till the date of full realization of entire amount. Grant a decree of permanent or appropriate injunctions restraining the defendant number 1 from removing him from his job due to inability to work as he was working prior to aforesaid accident, else plaintiff will also be entitled for damages as per para number 13 of the plaint, and appropriate court fees shall be paid on such eventuality at the appropriate stage. Declare right to livelihood of the plaintiff as right to life in view of Constitutional Bench decision of Honorable Supreme Court of India in Olga Teles versus Bombay Municipal Corporation 1985 Supra 2 SCR 51, and consequently restrain the defendant number 1 by issuing mandatory injunction or appropriate injunctions from taking away livelihood of the plaintiff, allow the cause of the suit, pass such other and further orders as this honorable court may deem fit and proper in the facts and circumstances of the present case. The suit was occasioned on account of an accident in the lift at office premises of defendant number 1 where the plaintiff was employed, which is stated to have resulted in serious spinal injuries to the plaintiff. Along with the suit, the plaintiff filed an IA under Order 39th, Rule 1 and 2 CPC, wherein he sought certain interim orders including inter alia that the defendant number 1 be restrained from terminating the plaintiff's services during the pendency of the present suit, and also seeking a direction that the defendant number 1 be directed to give medical benefits to the plaintiff. In the said IA, an interim order dated 11/7/2019 came to be passed containing the following directions. There is a reasonable apprehension in the plaintiff's mind that due to his injury, which prevents him from doing long sittings and filing of the present suit, he may suffer adverse consequences and his services may be terminated during the pendency of the suit. The plaintiff has made out a prima facie case in his favor. Accordingly, till the next date of hearing, the plaintiff's services shall not be terminated. The aforesaid IA was disposed of on 27/7/2018 in the following terms. Learned Counsel for defendant number 1 submits that the plaintiff has written to defendant number 1 that he would be joining back to work from 1st August 2018. She further submits that in view of the accident which had occurred, the plaintiff was given complete 6 months fully paid leave with reimbursement of all his medical expenses, and at the moment there is no intention of removing him from the employment. In view of the statement by learned counsel for defendant number 1, the application under Order 39th Rule 1 and 2 CPC is disposed of taking the said statement on record. Despite the aforesaid order, the defendant number 1 terminated the services of the plaintiff. This impelled the plaintiff to file IA number 4962/2019 under Order 39 Rule 2A CPC seeking initiation of contempt proceedings against the defendant number 1 and seeking withdrawal of the termination notice dated 29/3/2019. The first termination, while order dated 4/4/2019, passed in the aforesaid, it was directed as under. Since defendant number 1 had expressed its intention not to terminate the plaintiff at that stage, the interim application was disposed of accepting the said statement, as defendant number 1 had stated before the court that it did not intend to terminate the plaintiff. It ought to have sought leave of the court after placing the facts that it had changed its intentions and that it now intended to terminate the plaintiff without seeking leave of the court. Such termination was prima facie impermissible. Stop.
हेलो शॉर्ट हैंडियंस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। ऐसे ही और हार्ड वर्ड्स की आउटलाइन और वर्ड्स डिफ्रेंसिएशन की वीडियोस के लिए प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन। थैंक यू।